I failed. To fail my CFA exams. I know it's cringe, but I wanted to do this for a long time. Okay, so today we started our day by waking up and running 2 kilometers to the gym. Then we hit a pretty good chest day and we finished it with 20 minutes of ski erg for the high rocks training. And on the app part, you must be thinking that this guy talks about building apps, but where is it? So let me just quickly explain you what the app is about. So as soon as you open the app, there are 3 modes as of now: easy, medium and hard. And this whole app is based on IPL. Cause okay, so let's just say that you open easy mode as of now. So what this app does is, as soon as you open any mode, it assigns you a player which you have to guess. And let's say that this app assigned you MSD for example. And so how you have to start is, you have to start by writing a name. So let's just say that I start by writing Virat Kohli in my app. So as soon as I write Virat Kohli and I press the send button, in the app you will be able to see the stats of the player. From his batting style to his IPL team to his debut year to his jersey number, everything. So this app primarily has 3 colors: orange, green and the default grey color. So what green color does is, let's just say in our example, if you write Virat Kohli, the batsman, the right hand batsman, the debut year, all will be in green. Why? Because all these stats match with the player that you have to guess. So orange color. So let's just say that you wrote Ravindra Jadeja for example, and in the team section it will show RR as of now, but it will show it in orange color. Why? Because the player you have to guess, that is MSD in this example, Ravindra Jadeja was in CSK before. So the app will show it in orange color. And grey color signifies that this player has no association with the player also. So let's just say that you wrote Virat Kohli. Then in the team section it will show it as RCB for Virat Kohli, but it will be in grey color. Meaning that the player you have to guess was neither in that team before nor is now. So hope this helps you to get a glimpse of what I am building as of now. If you have any doubts or suggestions, let me know in the comments. I'll clear it as of now. And there are many improvements that we have to do now. So if you want to follow me along the journey,